Hello guys and welcome back to GosTech. Today we will learn how to use AI text-to-image generator and also text-to-speech generator. To use text-to-image, go here on Magic Media on the left side. You have image generator, graphics and video generator. Let's try with image generator and let me write for example, cat and dog playing football. Choose your style of image. And choose your aspect ratio of image. Click Generate and wait. That's it. Choose one if you like. You have 50 free credits for this one, then you have to upgrade to Pro version. Now let's see text to voice generator. Go to apps and search for text to speech. And click first one. Here you can write your text and choose your language. Then choose your voice. Here you have volume, speed and pitch. Let me click preview to see how it works for example.
With cloud machine learning, your application interprets images, texts and so much more.
To create your own text-to-speech audio, you have to log into the app. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.